Creating the sum of n terms, creating the sum of n terms, n being any number of terms of this additive sequence we've created here. So I'm going to start with this cell, H7, and the sum of the first term is easily just equals sign, and for the sake of learning, we're going to type SUM, parenthesis, and click on the first term, parenthesis, that is closed parenthesis, enter. So that formula has just added one term, which isn't much. Then in the next cell, cell H8, I'm going to type again equal sign, the word SUM, parenthesis, open parenthesis, and now the trick is click and hold on the first term and drag to the second term. And it automatically puts the two terms in, shift, close parenthesis, enter. Let's try that again. Now in cell H9, equal sign, type SUM, open parenthesis, that is shift 9, shift 9, open parenthesis, click and hold in the first term, that's B7, and drag to the third term, B9. Let go, shift, close parenthesis, or shift 0, and now I've added terms. A few more times. Equal sign, SUM, open parenthesis, shift, hold, click, hold first term, drag to the fourth term, that is B10, and close parenthesis, enter. Equal sign, SUM, open parenthesis, click, hold, drag, let go, close parenthesis, enter. And obviously we just keep this up until we can get to the end, and to the fifth term. So be careful where you're letting go, so you're on the same term as where you're typing your formula. If you're curious, here's another way. That is, if we copy this formula, Control C, arrow down and paste, the problem is in the formula the last term is correct, but the first term is also added 1. But I'm going to fix that at the end. So I'm going to copy my new formula, paste my old, paste, 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 all the way down the screen. Then I'm going to go back up to where the first term is incorrect. Notice it says B8, and by clicking in this window here, I can, and getting right behind the 8, I can backspace and type a 7, enter. Again, get right where it should be, backspace, 7, enter. And then I can just fix that last, or the first term. And if you don't move your mouse, it's real easy to repeat this. Click, backspace, 7, enter. Click, backspace, 7, enter. And there we go. Now I have this sequence of adding terms through the sequence. Now, of course, the magic is, let's look at the answers. For example, here's a 7. Look over here to the additive sequence. Anything interesting? Next is a 12. Let's look over here. Fascinating. Perhaps 143. Let's look over here. And now you see how adding numbers of a Fibonacci sequence relates to the Fibonacci sequence. Should you change these numbers to something random, does that still occur? I'll let you decide. And that's how we create the sum of n terms in a spreadsheet. Thank you.